Alright guys, so a little bit of clickbait in the title there and in the thumbnail, but I do want to talk to you about why the quality of your product isn't as important to first impressions as you might think, and how some people overinflate the quality of their product in their mind to think that their product's going to sell, and how that is a detriment to them when they list their product on Amazon, and how they present their listing to the customer. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give the channel a subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, all of that good stuff. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So, in complete honesty, let's be realistic for a second. The quality of your product obviously 100% matters to the customer, because you need to have a good quality product to get good reviews. If you don't have a good quality product, you're going to get bad reviews. It's going to ruin your listing, ruin your rankings, and you're just not going to sell. So you always need to have the best quality product possible. You need to make sure it's best than your competitors, or at least at the same level at the very minimum. That is an extremely important. But the thing that I actually want to cover in this video is about the messages that I get, I'd say on a weekly basis, about people messaging me saying, Ryan, my product isn't selling. I make it myself, or I get it from my supplier, I pay a lot for it. I'm not making much money because the quality is so good. I know it's the best quality product of all of my competitors, and my quality is absolutely amazing. The limited reviews I have say that it's amazing quality. I know that my product's the best, but it's not selling. And the reason for this is they'll send me a link for their product. I'll click on the link and their listing is just, it doesn't reflect the quality of their product. They've got just very blank normal images. They're bullet points, they're like one sentence, very plain, no capitals, just very boring. Their title is just one sentence. Their bullet points, their description, has no HTML. And even they might have 6 5-star reviews. Their listing is just terrible. And to the customer, when they're looking at your listing, that's what they have to get a perceived value of your product. And that is that when they see your listing, what worth did they put on your product based on your product images? And a way to very simply describe this is if you were shopping in just a normal retail store and you looked at a product. So if I seen this microphone here, this blue Yeti microphone, I think it is, if I seen this in just a plastic poly bag on a shelf, or if I seen it in some beautiful packaging with a picture of the product, even though they're the exact same thing, I'd pick up the one that has the box. I just think it's more valuable. I think it's obviously got to be higher quality than the one that's just there in a poly bag. Even though they're the exact same price, my perceived value of this product is going to be way more than the one just sat there in a plastic poly bag. And that's just how it works. It works exactly the same on Amazon, that if you've got a bad listing, your listing is the plastic poly bag. If you've got a great listing, then it just looks beautiful to the customer and it gives your product a perceived value. So even though your product quality does matter, it only matters so far as you can actually present that to the customer. If you cannot show your product quality to the customer in your image, and your listing and just everywhere, then it's completely worthless, because the customer is buying your product based on your images, your title, your bullets, your description, your reviews, your offer, your price. That whole bundle is creating your product sale. And if you cannot master that, then I've said this before, you can have literally the most amazing product in the world that produces gold every single hour, but if you cannot rank that and you cannot sell it, it doesn't matter. It's not going to help you at all if you've paid $10 more for your product than every other seller on Amazon and you know it's the best quality product by far, if you cannot present that. And that's really what I want to get across to you in this video, because the amount of messages that I get about this topic saying, why is my product not selling? It's great quality. And as soon as you look at the listings, you think, well, that's exactly why it's not selling, because you haven't paid for good images. You've taken them yourself. You've literally taken them on a white desk like this, and you can see the white desk in the background. You haven't even blurred out the background to make it like a transparent background or nothing. You haven't got any lifestyle images, no annotations, nothing showing the features of the product in the images. You just put up a very generic listing and charged more for it, because even though your product's high quality and you know that, and I believe you, I think your product probably is high quality, you haven't shown that to the customer. So why would they buy your product over someone else's? Because they're not holding both of your products thinking, do you know what, Ryan's product is higher quality, I'm going to buy that one. They're not. They're looking at your listing. If your listing is basically shit quality, then they assume your product is also of a similar quality. So whatever you're charging for your product, whatever quality your product is, you have to put the same effort and attention into your listing. You have to treat your listing almost like your product, because that is what's going to sell it at the end of the day. And if that's a subpar quality, then to the customer, so is your product, and it's going to affect your sales. So you need to start treating your listing with care and almost treat that as one of the, if not the top, let's say 2 or 3 points of being one of the most important things to selling on Amazon, is perfecting your listing and making it look a very high quality. I've got multiple videos of this on my channel, so go through all the videos. But I hope you've enjoyed this one, guys. Give the video a subscribe, thumbs up, comment below, all that good stuff. And if you're looking to sell on Amazon FBA in the UK and you want a program that teaches you everything step by step, not missing anything, with personal support from myself for product research, all that kind of stuff, check out the AZ Academy, first link in the description, or just enjoy the free content. I really don't mind, it's completely up to you. Everything I do is just to support and help you in your Amazon FBA journey. So with all that said, I'll see you in the next video.